it's Ronan Segal from AccordionLove.com, and today I wanted to talk about the performance of the song Mr. Blue Sky on accordion. Again, you can find the lesson and the sheet music and the performance in the description on AccordionLove.com, but today I wanted to talk through some of the musical decisions that I made and some of the variations. And there's no right way to play a song on accordion. The song, as it was recorded by Electric Light Orchestra, had drums and bass and vocals. What we have is the accordion. And there is a way of playing the song with just vocals, right? Hey, you with a pretty face, welcome to the human race. That's not what we're doing today. We're playing the song with the melody being sung by the accordion. First thing we can change is just our voice. If your accordion has different voices, different reeds. Sure, change that up. But really what I want to speak about are the decisions of the hands together. What can we do with the bass? So we have a toolkit on which to draw on. In the performance, I chose to do a staccato left hand. Just the downbeats. Hey, you with a pretty face, right? Why did I choose that? Because I chose it, because it was there. I could have chosen one long legato note. That actually sounds really nice. I could have chosen a really light bass with this accordion, right? That's okay too. Let's go back to a full bass. I could have chosen a rhythm, like an alternate bass technique. Totally fine. Or a simple oompa. Right, all of this while keeping in the rhythm of the song. I'm not changing it to a tango or a waltz. I could do that. Really special and nice. Again, different choices that we can make as musicians with the accordion. Now, what I want to emphasize is that it's typically where changes happen where the beauty lies. Beauty lies where the changes in rhythm happen, or the changes in voices. Meaning that waltz really stood out because before that, we had that kind of staccato rhythm. So, in the change from verse to chorus is where I'm going to change my technique. So if I was playing ready? There, the chorus entered, and I changed my technique. So something changed. The listener listens, and me as the musician, it also forces me to pay attention. I could have kept going, you know. But we're keeping it very steady in that way. What I like about the accordion, what I like about music, is we get to change things up. So let's enter the chorus again. Choose something else. These things add interest to the song, especially in a song like Mr. Blue Sky, which has so much variety in it. I'm thinking of Mr. Blue Sky, the little robotic voice, right? The first time that we did the verse, it went... For the Mr. Blue Sky, Mr. Blue Sky. Same chords, but we can take a different approach, right? We come from the chorus. You notice that difference. We were in legato, Mr. Blue Sky, Mr. Blue. We could have chosen another variation. We could have done... Give it room. Now we're entering the next verse. We could do full staccato again. But I like giving it some rhythm, right? Mr. Blue Sky. A bit happier, a bit more jovial. We could have done legato. But again, that takes the mood down a little bit. Okay to do, but I want to be a bit more conscious of the energy that I'm setting as I play, and I want you as a musician also to be conscious of that. As a listener, be conscious of that too. What's the musician, what's the composer wanting to imply? This is right near the end of the song, right near the climax. You have a big instrument, let's go full, fortissimo, let's go full volume. Good. I think that's all I wanted to say about the choice of performance. We have such a versatile instrument. Most instruments can be versatile. With this wonderful accordion, I have lots of voices on my right hand, lots of voices on my left hand. Explore those voices, explore those rhythms that you have access to. We have such a bag of choice. It's both a blessing and a curse. It's a curse because we have so many options to choose from. It's a blessing for that same reason. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out the performance and the sheet music and the lesson over on AccordionLove.com. Thanks for watching. Mr. Blue, you did it right. But here comes Mr. Night. Ba-ba-da-da.